In this video, we are going to solve this log reading question. It says find the value of x which satisfies the equation log x squared plus 4 to base 10 equal to 2 plus log x to base 10 minus log 20 to base 10. If I have log x squared plus 4 to base 10 equal to 2 plus log x to base 10. Instead of these two here, I want to express it in logarithm 2. In logarithm to base 10, that should be 100 to base 10. The logarithm of 100 to base 10 is 2 plus log s to base 10 minus log 20 to base 10. Applying the law of logarithm that says log p to base q, to base a rather, plus log q to base a is equal to log p times q to base a. If I apply it here, I will have log 100 times s is 100s to base 10 and minus log 20 to base 10. That is on the right hand side. On the left hand side, we still have it as log s squared plus 4 to base 10. Again, there's a law that says log p to base a minus log q to base a is log p divided by q to base a. If we apply it here, that means log s squared plus 4 to base 10 will be log 100s divided by 20 to base 10. I apply this log here. We have log to base 10 on both sides, so we can cancel them out. That means s squared plus 4 is equal to 100s over 20. Cross multiply, that this is over 1. And then 20 times s squared plus 4 equal to 100s. Let me distribute this. That will be 20s plus 80 equal to 100s. Let's form a quadratic equation from this by moving 100s to this side. I have 20s squared minus 100s plus 80 equal to 0. To make our work easier, since we look at each number here, they are all factors of 20. So let me multiples of 20 rather. Let me divide 2 by 20 by 20 by 20. So that I will have s squared minus 100 divided by 20 is 4. Maybe 5 rather. 5s plus 80 divided by 20 is 4 equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation here. We look for two factors of 4s squared. As s squared times 4 is 4s squared. Two factors of 4s squared that can add up to this middle term. That should be 4s and 1s. Since this is negative 5s, both of them have to be negative. So I have negative 4s and negative 1s. When added together will give us negative 5s. So now that we know the factors, we replace the middle term with the factors so that the equation becomes s squared minus 4s minus s plus 4 equal to 0. Let's group it 2 by 2 so we can factorize. Then minus s minus 4 equal to 0. In the first bracket, s is common. In the second bracket, 1 is common, equal to 0. We have a common factor s minus 4. Then let's group this together. S minus 1 equal to 0. It's either s minus 4 is equal to 0 or s minus 1 is equal to 0. That means s is 4 or 1. Let's substitute these values into the equation to see which one satisfies. Because the question said find the value of s which satisfies the equation. Well, the equation is log s squared plus 4 because the values we have for s are 4 and 1. So when s is 4, that's here with the 4 square. But let me write it first. S squared plus 4 to base 10. Let me work on the left hand side first before I move to the right hand side. So this will be log 4 square plus 4 to base 10. And 4 square is 10, is 16 rather, to base 10. So log 16 plus 4 to base 10. 16 plus 4 is 20. Log 20 to base 10. That is the left hand side. Let's check the right hand side whether we'll get the same thing. For the right hand side, I'm going to start from here where I have log 100s minus 20. Let's put in the value of s there. Log 100 s to base 10 minus log 20. Again, the value of s is 4. 4 times 100 is 400. So that will be log 400 minus log 20 to base 10, which is log 400 divided by 20 to base 10. And 400 divided by 20 is here. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So log 20 to base 10. So since the left hand side and the right hand side are the same, that means s equal to 40 is correct. S equal to 40. Now let's check for s equal to 1. This one is correct. For s equal to 1, that is log s squared plus 4 to base 10 will be log 1 squared is 1 plus 4 to base 10, which is log 5 to base 10. That is for left hand side. Then for right hand side, that we have log 100s minus log 20. Log 100 s to base 10 minus log 20 to base 10. That is log 100 times 1 is 300 to base 10 minus log 20 to base 10, which is log 100 divided by 20 to base 10. 100 divided by 20 is 5. Log 5 to base 10. Again, the left hand side and the right hand side are the same. This is left hand side, which is log 5 to base 10. Right hand side is also log 5 to base 10. Therefore, s equal to 1 is also correct. That means our two values, 4 or 1, satisfy the equation. And that is what I have for you in this video. I hope you like it. If you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notified for new video like this.